Hello everyone, Nasimula Bhutta here. I have enrolled myself at Rehan AI Teachers Institute. I'm recording this video as a part of my assigned task. This video is based on my honest review about ChatGPT Complete Course by Rehan Allahwala. These days, it feels like everyone is talking about ChatGPT. Today, I'm genuinely excited to explore it with you. I recently went through Rehan Allahwala's ChatGPT Complete Course to find out what's really behind all this excitement. And believe me, it's much more than just talk. It's an impressive and very practical tool. Stay with me and let's see together why ChatGPT is winning so much attention. It's your smart AI sidekick. In this part, I'll share how ChatGPT acts like a smart companion ready to guide and assist us anywhere, anytime, round the clock. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Think of it like having a wise and helpful companion always ready to assist you, no matter the topic. ChatGPT is a computer program powered by artificial intelligence built to answer your questions and guide you. The course shows how we can use ChatGPT in real life. Searching for a job, it can polish our CV and help us write strong applications. Need to understand something complicated? It explains things clearly and simply. Want to translate languages? It can do that too, quickly and accurately. It's like carrying a smart advisor in your pocket, always ready to support you wherever you need. ChatGPT versus traditional learning, a new era. It's time to explain how ChatGPT is changing the old ways of learning by offering faster and clear answers. Now, let's think about how we usually find information. Long hours spent searching websites, checking different articles, and still feeling confused. This course clearly shows that ChatGPT is changing this completely. Instead of spending hours, you get the answers directly, clearly, and in simple language. It's like sitting in front of a very patient teacher who only concentrates on your needs and never get tired. For example, lawyers, even a man in the street, can quickly understand complicated laws like Pakistan Penal Code. Teachers can find creative stories or answer endless student questions more easily. ChatGPT is opening new ways of learning and working faster than ever before. ChatGPT in our daily life, but ChatGPT isn't limited to books and studies. It can even help you in everyday life, for example, cooking. The course shows that you can ask it to create a recipe based on ingredients you have at home. A real kitchen helper, isn't it? More important, Rehan Allahwala highlights a bigger picture. It's just that if countries like Pakistan invest seriously in AI technologies like ChatGPT, it can bring major progress in education, jobs, and business. ChatGPT is not just a tool, it's a key to unlocking a more advanced and successful future. ChatGPT is to transform the ways we learn. Now, let's look at how ChatGPT can make education more personalized, flexible, and enjoyable for the students of all ages. As a student, I found this part especially exciting. Imagine studying with a tutor who always understands you, explains things patiently, and is available 24 by 7. That's what ChatGPT offers. Whether you are struggling with science, languages, or even complex theories, ChatGPT breaks them into simple steps and helps you learn at your own pace. The course stresses that schools and universities should think about using AI tools like ChatGPT seriously. If we guide students properly with tools like this, education can become much more effective and enjoyable. Behind all this, ChatGPT uses something called deep learning, which allows it to constantly grow smarter with every conversation it holds. And how to use ChatGPT effectively. This course guides you to how to ask better questions and use ChatGPT wisely to get the best results. Biology might be wondering, how do you actually get the best out of ChatGPT? This course gives simple but important tips. Be clear and specific in your questions. If you ask general or confusing questions, the answer might not be very helpful. But if you ask clearly, ChatGPT gives you focused and useful replies. You can ask different questions. Depending on your profession, programmers can ask it how to write code or you can fix errors. Designers can find ideas for their creative projects. Writers can get help drafting blogs, scripts, or marketing content. It's like a helping hand for every professional field. You just need to know how to ask the right way. ChatGPT is a way from schools to professionals. What really amazed me is how ChatGPT's reach is. It's not just for tech experts or students, for teachers. Religious scholars can explore complex religious topics with more clarity. Lawyers can research cases quickly and save their valuable time. This shows how flexible and powerful ChatGPT is. It can support people from all kinds of backgrounds in achieving their goals faster and more confidently. To conclude my reviews, Alpha and Omega of my reviews, Rehan Allahwala's ChatGPT Complete Course opened my mind to how valuable ChatGPT can be for all of us. It's a teacher, a guide, a researcher, a creative assistant, and even a daily life helper, all rolled in one. Now it's time to hear from you. How do you think ChatGPT could help you in your studies, career, or daily life? Share your thoughts in comments below. Thank you.